So, hello students, in your NEET preparation, there are very few days left. And as a matter of fact, in these few days, you need to completely spend all of your time in the most important concepts or the most important chapters, right, ma'am?
Yes. So we are going to give you the do or die chapters for your NEET 2025 as you're heading really close to the examination. These are the chapters that you need to focus. You need to up your revision game. You need to
Exactly.
practice questions, right?
So, students, we will give you a complete analysis of last 4 years, which can help you to understand which type of question has been asked, how many questions have been asked in every single chapter, and let's get going, ma'am.
Yes. So let's start. 1 second, students. Yes. Okay.
Now, students, the first chapter, as you see, the living world. Unfortunately, students, from the last 2 years, there has been no question here. So, if you want to study this chapter in detail on PhD, don't do it. Okay. So, try to keep it as baseline as possible. And if you really want to study the binomial nomenclature. That's it, ma'am.
Biological classification, students, again you can see I wouldn't say invest a lot of time in this chapter, but I know for a fact that you people have watched one shot lectures of mine. That is more than enough for you to answer those 2 questions. Okay. Now, yes.
Plant kingdom, students. Unfortunately, every single year the importance of plant kingdom is going down and down. If you can notice here, 5 questions, 3 questions, 2 questions, 1 question. So, but there is a very high chance that if they ask you a question, if they ask you 2 questions, it will be 100% from the algae or from the gymnosperms, nothing more than that.
Yes, that is a perfect thing. Now, animal kingdom, students, throughout the years, you will always notice animal kingdom has been given a great importance. But then again, there are years that it was not given importance. But in the last year and in the last year, 5 questions have come. That means it is a high weightage chapter. And then, sir, morphology.
Morphology, as you know, it's always has 5 to 6 questions every single year. Last year, we could see 5 questions, and all the 5 questions were completely spread out throughout the chapter. By luck, there was no question on the new plant families, but you have to study that also, because there's a very high chance that they might ask you. Now, if you look at anatomy, students, in anatomy of flowering plants, your majority of the questions were from the tissues, not from the sectioning. So you need to learn the tissues from the old NCRT, not from the new NCRT, ma'am.
Yes, structural organization, I think, is one of the most controversial topics to ever exist. Okay. Insect, frog, insect, then cockroach comes in. But yes, last year cockroach question has come. So study cockroach and frog thoroughly. Go through animal tissues. Again, you can watch our one-shot lectures. Okay. Then here goes full search topics.
Students, I cannot stress this enough. The entire unit of cell is almost the high weightage chapters. As you can see here, 6, 4, 14 marks. 14 marks from these 3 chapters, and it is always constant. Especially biomolecules, it requires a lot of dedication. It requires a lot of understanding of enzymes. So please do not ignore this entire unit. And in coming days, we'll be having a lecture. We'll be doing a marathon of your entire unit, which will benefit you in the entire marks.
Yes, and sir, if you look at this whole thing also, your 5 chapters are very important. Again, we come to plant physiology and human physiology definitely, but if you look at these chapters individually, they have a very high weightage. But when we talk about plant physiology and human physiology as a unit, they have a high weightage. So there's a difference. So you should always focus on these chapters first when you're preparing. And sir, photosynthesis.
And as usual, plant physiology is very important, very technical chapters. Photosynthesis in higher plants, 3 marks. Respiration plants, here we have again 2 marks here. Plant growth regulators is 3 marks.
It has changed over.
Do you see here? Last year 5 marks, here 4 marks, 4 marks. So this entire unit per se is very high weightage, not individual chapters.
Yes.
So when you're trying to understand this unit, try to understand as a whole, not just by chapter wise. You will study the first chapter, ignore the last chapter. You cannot do that.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Because students, it's very varying. You cannot predict what NEET 2025 can be. Because last year, sir, I would say biodiversity. No one expected 5 questions from the chapter, but suddenly NTA out of the blue gave 5 questions. So that's why, see, this is just to give you a pathway to how you should up your revision game. But again, focus on units that we are stressing. Now, if you look at human physiology, individual chapters, you tell, ma'am, these chapters, body fluids and circulation, 4 hours I was on a marathon with you, but it only gives me 3 questions. But if you look at the entire unit, they give you around 13 to 15 MCQs. That means what is the mark weightage? 50, 55, 60 marks weightage, you cannot skip. Then how can you even expect 360 in biology? Exactly. Right?
So as you can see, this is your entire class 11th, and you can see a good amount of weightage here given for plant physiology and human physiology, cell, the unit of life, the entire, as well as animal kingdom. These are the chapters which you need to focus and revise multiple times if you want to score a 360.
Yes.
Right, ma'am?
Now, I think 12th, you have to focus on all the chapters because as you can see the green, it is like a traffic signal, the whole
Everything
thing
is
I have
open.
highlighted green, okay? But again, students, sexual reproduction, flowering plants, as you people know, this chapter is, see, the questions that come from the chapter is usually a little tricky or it can also be direct. Two ways, okay? 2024, all the questions are very easy. They have asked about wind pollination and all of that.
Diagram-based
Yeah, diagram-based question. But again, human reproduction, a part of zoology, but then Basava sir teaches it. But still, you know that human reproduction is a chapter that you cannot afford to skip. With that, please read reproductive health. 2 questions, 8 marks can harm you.
Ma'am, it's like one side story here.
Yeah, yeah.
Small baby of it. Now, if you look at the entire genetics, entire unit is very, very, very heavy. Especially the molecular basis and principles of inheritance. You cannot skip any point, students. We cannot tell that, this is more important, this is less important. No. In principles of inheritance, they can ask you a question from diseases. They can ask you a question from monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, Mendelian genetics, entire chromosomal theory of inheritance. Everything is important there. You cannot be like, I will study this one shot. If I can't do one shot, can I study points? No. Same goes for molecular basis also, right?
Yeah,
ma'am?
molecular basis of inheritance, students, questions will be tricky because the chapter itself students are scared of. So people are going to take advantage. Now, if I'm a teacher, I would give questions from that because I know students are scared of. Yes. So, and also sometimes questions can be as simple as what is the recognition sequence of your eco R1, or they can give you one sequence and they can ask you which would they cut, or will they cut sticky ends, or will they give blunt ends.
yeah.
Very simple
Very
question
simple
can come. So you can expect, and I think we have done Bio 360 Club on this chapter, and you can see the entire marathon, 8 hours marathon. Watch it in 2x, but watch this chapters without fail. Now, students, evolution, I would say it's an easy chapter. So all the questions that you're going to be able to answer will be easy. So do not definitely give importance, but again, up your revision game in these chapters. Human health and diseases, no way to escape. 4 marks from this chapter. Antibiotics, immunity. Yeah, 4 questions, sorry. Antibodies, immunity, all of this is very, very important topics from it. Now, biotechnology unit, students, as I told you, 10 questions come from this and you cannot skip it. And if I would say in your entire 12th also, biotechnology is easy. Maybe not easy to understand, but it's easy to answer the questions, because I'm going to do a class very soon and you will be able to understand that, oh, pre-COVID questions are very easy, ma'am. Now, sir.
Microbes.
Yeah, microbes, one question. Organism population, I think we should go here.
Students, can you go back, ma'am, little?
Sure.
So this microbes, one question will be example based, nothing to worry. Organism and population, 2 questions, and these 2 questions mainly come from the population interaction everywhere. Now, if you look at the ecosystem, ma'am, 1 question. So this is very less weightage, but the highest weightage from nowhere. See, can you see here, ma'am? 0 question, 3, 2. Suddenly 5 question. So there's a very high chance that they can ask you any random chapter from your ecology. For example, this year, ecosystem, you might get 3 questions. You might get 5 questions from your organism and population. So ecology is very tricky. Every single chapter is equally important that you cannot tell just because we have 5 questions here, it is more important, you cannot tell that. So learn the entire ecology unit as such with great importance.
I know now it might sound like, ma'am, you people have told the entire topic we have to study. But then, students, why we did this is if you are starting with your revision, these are the chapters that you need to focus on, because there are a lot of students who, text us telling that, ma'am, I was studying biological classification, I've been studying living world. That's the problem, because it's the first chapter on the textbook. You just start studying with it. That's why we did this video right now, to up your revision game. So listen to us carefully. This is to where you have to start.
Exactly.
Right? We are like the primers. We are telling you that, okay, start from here. Yes. Now, most importantly, after all of the chapters that you have known, it's very important to write mock test. So if you want to,
Students, because as ma'am is saying, you can read all of this, but if you do not use a practical approach to it, if you do not do active recall, if you do not test your knowledge, how will you know if you truly understood the topic?
yes.
If you really want to know that, yes, I am confident in this topic, you should be able to solve question, no then. So for the very same reason, yes, you can solve many PYQs, but you should be aware of the pre-COVID pattern questions, and that is what we deliver to you. Here, ma'am.
Yes, students. So as I told you, in your Amazon subscription or your Netflix 2-month subscription, you can buy All India Test Series 180. This will be not delivered at your home, okay, because you're getting it at this price range, but you can see that there is no compromise in what we are giving you. 18 total test, full syllabus. You will get in-depth solutions, you will get for all questions, real life exams, simulations, and also you will get a performance evaluation, 360 performance evaluation. You will be writing the test in our Vedantu app. Okay, so now I would request all of you, the link is in the description box. Please buy your All India Test Series before the price changes. And I do not want any of you to approach us in the month of April asking that, ma'am, can you please sell it for 700? Can you please reduce the price? Because right now we are telling you in loud and clear that please buy it right now, and please practice mock papers as much as possible. Students, you talk to any topper, they will only tell this
And
one
let me
thing.
tell you, students, here we are giving you 18 mock tests, but that is also still not enough. This is something called as bare minimum. We always tell, right, there is something bare minimum we should do. Bare minimum, read the entire NCERT once. Bare minimum, solve 50 questions from every chapter. The bare minimum of mock tests which you need to do is 18 full mock tests.
Yes.
Above this, it's even more better. So this is the bare minimum criteria which you need to fulfill. Be truthful to yourself. Yes, if you're preparing very seriously, this is the bare minimum criteria which you have to fill. Now, student, this is your offline mode. That is, we'll be delivering the entire mock paper to your home with OMR sheet. So all you have to do there is open a question paper, sit down, start circling by testing yourself. So you have to sit, students, 18 into 3, that many hours you will have to sit and write this mock test, circling. So that is a very good practice, because you will get a complete simulation of writing the examination. As you can see, the price is more here because obviously we have to deliver the paper. We will be giving you OMR sheets and everything. So it is your choice if you want offline or online. It's up to your decision, your convenience, but please do it.
Yes.
Right, ma'am?
Please do it, students. We do not want to come back here in the month of April and tell you that why haven't you practiced test paper?
where is the mock
Because
test?
it's too late. And also we are doing pre-COVID pattern on our channel. So definitely check out all the videos and practice those questions as well. It's okay even if you're watching it recorded, answer yourself, because first we display the question, then only we show the answers. So that's it for today's video, students. Thank you so much for joining. Do let us know in the comments that I want to crack NEET 2025 or NEET 2025 is my year, because this way, every time someone likes your comment, you will be reminded what you promised us and what you promised yourself. So see you all
keep
in
your
next class.
promise and see you in the next class.